Hello everyone, welcome to Orlando's cooking channel. Today we're going to make a dessert, a coffee jelly dessert. Easy to make and very delicious. Siguradong masarap. Our ingredients are water, 2 pounds of Gulaman or gelatin. We need 3 cups for each 1 pouch of gelatin. So I'm going to measure 3 cups on our pot. The perfect consistency is 3 cups per 1 pouch. And then I'm going to put this gelatin while it's still not turned on the stove, okay? You need to mix it while it's still cold. And then we need coffee as well. Each pouch needs 3 teaspoons of coffee. So in total of 6 for 2 pouches of gelatin. And then we need as well 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And now we're going to turn on the stove in high heat and let this simmer. We need to mix it, stir it all the time so there's no lumps on our gelatin. Yeah, keep on stirring. So when everything is dissolved, the coffee dissolved, just keep on stirring until it's boiling. You don't need to cover this one because we don't want the coffee or the gelatin to overflow in this pot. So don't cover it, just leave it like uncovered. And keep on stirring and stirring until everything is dissolved. So yeah, it's boiling now. We're going to turn off the stove now, and then we're going to strain this into a molder. So we need to be very careful, don't burn yourself. So first, here. So you need to strain so we can catch or any lumps left over on the gelatin. So now we will wait for this to set, the gelatin. I approximately boil the gelatin around 20 minutes, and it's gonna be like this, and we wait for this to cool down and set. So ngayon ang ating gelatin is ready and set. So we're going to cut it to our desired shape. For me, cubes is okay, so it's up to you. If you like diamond shape, triangle, it's up to you. So I'm going to slice now in the middle. Yeah, and same as the other one. Just put it all together. So all you need to put is 1 can of condensed milk. Pour it everything up. Next is 500 ml of cream. Any type of cream will do. And then all you have to do is to mix it all up until well combine the gelatin, the condensed milk, and the cream. And then we're going to put it into the fridge, inside the fridge, to cool down. and it's ready to eat. It's all done. As you can see, it's all mixed together. And it's time for us to taste. Okay, now it's time for me to taste the coffee jelly dessert. But this is not the finished product yet because we need to put this inside the fridge. Overnight is the best, so you can get a nice cold dessert. Yeah. So the sweetness is okay, so it's time for us to put the lid, the cover, put inside the fridge. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.